How to protect retirement savings with 401k to Gold IRA. In today's volatile economic landscape, protecting your retirement savings with a 401k to Gold IRA conversion can be a wise strategy. Gold, a reliable asset, offers stability against inflation and market fluctuations. Here's the guide. What is a 401k and Gold IRA? A 401k is a retirement plan where your savings are invested in stocks or bonds. A Gold IRA, however, holds physical gold or precious metals, offering tangible value. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why convert? 1. Diversification. Gold provides a hedge against stock market losses. 2. Inflation protection. Gold often increases in value when inflation rises. 3. Safe haven. Historically, gold performs well during economic or geopolitical crises. Conversion steps. 1. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable Gold IRA custodian to manage and store your gold. 2. Open a self-directed IRA. This allows for alternative investments like gold. 3. Initiate the rollover. Transfer funds from your 401k to the new Gold IRA. 4. Purchase gold. Ensure the gold meets IRS purity standards. 5. Store securely. The gold must be stored in an approved depository. The benefits. 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold often appreciates as fiat currencies lose value. 2. Portfolio diversification. Reduces risk by adding a non-correlated asset to your investment mix. 3. Safe haven asset. Historically stable during crises, providing a security buffer for your retirement savings. 4. Tangible value. Unlike digital assets, gold is a physical commodity that holds inherent worth. The drawbacks. 1. No income generation. Gold doesn't produce interest or dividends, unlike some traditional investments. 2. Higher costs. Storing and insuring physical gold can be more expensive than managing other investments. 3. Market liquidity. While generally stable, gold's value can fluctuate, and selling may not always be immediate. Consider consulting a financial advisor to tailor this strategy to your retirement needs. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.